Making reward and behavior charts is super easy with Communicate in Print. So just in this template file, we have one here ready to go. So I'm just going to open it up and then you can edit it however you like. So I'm going to take a column out as we only have 4 sessions a day at the moment. Remove column, and I want to make it a bit more personalized, so we can add some symbols. Make that a little bit bigger. But when I click on my, we just get these generic symbols up. So what you can do is if you go to your files, you can copy a picture and just paste it into the document, just like we did beforehand. And then it comes up, my reward chart. And then we can start adding. So I will sit nicely. I will be kind to my friends. And as you can see, every time you type my, their image will come up as well. So it will be personalized throughout the whole document. And there you have it.